Welcome to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel, your trusted source for the latest news, analysis, and insights on the Iraqi dinar. We provide up-to-date information on exchange rates, economic developments, and key financial trends affecting Iraq's currency. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply keeping an eye on the market, our channel delivers accurate reports, expert opinions, and government policy updates to keep you informed. Stay tuned for real-time updates and in-depth discussions on the future of the Iraqi dinar. In the realm of global finance, few topics have generated as much speculation, debate, and anticipation as the monetary reform efforts of various nations. One particularly compelling development has surfaced involving a Sudanese advisor revealing a new monetary strategy aimed at reducing speculation. The significance of such a revelation cannot be overstated, as it signals a broader shift towards transparency, stability, and global integration in monetary policy. In the context of Iraq and the Iraqi dinar, this movement towards reform represents a monumental shift, eliminating doubts and reinforcing the long-held belief that the dinar is on a trajectory towards internationalization. For decades, Iraq's financial system has been caught in a web of economic challenges, political instability, and external influences that have shaped the perception and value of its currency. The dinar, a currency that once held significant weight, has experienced devaluation, sanctions, and economic hurdles that have hindered its potential. However, in recent years, efforts to modernize and reform Iraq's monetary system have gained momentum. The role of financial institutions, particularly the Central Bank of Iraq, has been instrumental in implementing policies that align with international standards, paving the way for the dinar's potential re-entry into the global financial market. A key component of any monetary reform is the need to mitigate speculation. Speculation, while a natural part of financial markets, can create unnecessary volatility and hinder economic progress. By reducing speculation, policymakers can establish a more stable and predictable monetary environment, which in turn fosters investor confidence and economic growth. The announcement by the Sudanese advisor underscores the importance of structured reforms that prioritize economic stability over short-term market reactions. Such a move demonstrates the growing recognition among financial experts that speculation must be curbed to allow organic economic development. The concept of monetary reform education plays a crucial role in this transformation. Education is a fundamental tool in eliminating uncertainty, as it provides both investors and the general public with clear insights into the policies and strategies being implemented. A well-informed populace is less susceptible to rumors and market manipulation, allowing for a more measured and rational approach to currency valuation and investment. The recent push for monetary reform education serves as a strong indicator that authorities are committed to ensuring that stakeholders understand the long-term vision for the dinar. One of the most significant implications of this educational effort is the removal of doubts surrounding the internationalization of the Iraqi dinar. For years, speculation has surrounded the possibility of the dinar becoming a globally recognized currency once again. While skeptics have dismissed this notion as mere conjecture, the latest developments suggest otherwise. The systematic approach to reform, coupled with increased transparency and alignment with international financial institutions, points towards a clear trajectory: the reintroduction of the dinar into the global financial system. The journey towards internationalization is not a simple one. It requires a combination of structural reforms, economic stability, and the confidence of international stakeholders. The Central Bank of Iraq has been making strategic moves to enhance the financial infrastructure necessary for such a transition. This includes efforts to modernize banking regulations, implement anti-money laundering measures, and establish stronger ties with global financial entities such as the International Monetary Fund and the World Bank. These efforts are designed to create an environment in which the dinar can function effectively on an international scale. Another crucial aspect of this transition is exchange rate policy. A stable and predictable exchange rate is essential for the dinar to be taken seriously in global markets. Iraq has historically faced challenges in maintaining currency stability due to political uncertainties and external pressures. However, recent policies have been aimed at stabilizing the dinar's value, ensuring that it reflects the country's economic fundamentals rather than being subject to speculation-driven fluctuations. The gradual shift towards a more transparent exchange rate mechanism is a key signal that Iraq is preparing for the dinar's broader acceptance in international trade and finance. The role of foreign investment in this process cannot be overlooked. Investors seek stability, predictability, and a conducive economic environment before committing capital to a particular market. Iraq's ongoing efforts to reform its financial sector are likely to attract foreign investors who see potential in the country's untapped economic resources. The energy sector, infrastructure development, and financial services are areas that stand to benefit significantly from increased foreign investment. As Iraq positions itself as an emerging market, the internationalization of the dinar becomes not just a possibility but a necessary step in facilitating. The global financial community is taking note of these developments. As Iraq continues to implement its monetary reform agenda, it is drawing attention from policymakers, economists, and market analysts who recognize the potential impact of these changes. The dinar's potential revaluation and subsequent internationalization are topics of growing interest, particularly among those who have been following Iraq's economic trajectory for years. While skepticism remains, the systematic approach to reform and the emphasis on education are providing a level of clarity that was previously absent. In conclusion, the revelation of a new monetary strategy by a Sudanese advisor highlights a fundamental shift towards structured and transparent economic policies. This development underscores the importance of reducing speculation, educating stakeholders, and fostering an environment conducive to sustainable economic growth. For Iraq, these efforts are particularly significant as they eliminate doubts about the future of the dinar and reinforce the belief that its internationalization is not just a possibility, but an inevitability. With continued reform, increased foreign investment, and strategic economic planning, Iraq is positioning itself to re-emerge as a key player in the global financial system, with the dinar reclaiming its place on the world stage. Thank you for tuning in to the Iraqi Dinar Update channel. We appreciate your support and engagement as we continue to bring you the latest news, analysis, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Stay connected with us for real-time insights, expert discussions, and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep watching for the latest on the Iraqi dinar. See you in the next update.